And welcome back to another one of my videos. Today is not a repair video as such, it's more of a look at what I've just done repair wise to this car, and look how bad it was, and really I'm surprised it's still running. The customer came to me with this little Renault Clio and he said he wanted the timing belt changed because it had overheated, and what he'd found was what he suspected was the water pump was leaking. So that's fine, that's good, right? So got it in the next day. He supplied all the parts. He supplied the timing belt kit and the new auxiliary belt and stuff like that. So we got it in the next day, or a couple of days later, stripped it all apart, and what we found was it was a right old mess. The timing belt cover was full of debris, bits of belt, bits of plastic from the where the tensioner had all broken up, and I'll show you that in a minute. So I'm surprised it didn't get caught up in the crankshaft pulley or anywhere and ripped the belt off. So when I took it all apart, the water pump was solid, and the belt was just skimming over the top of the water pump. So I'm surprised that didn't burn through the belt. So let's see all the bits I've taken off. Right, this is the car in question. Definitely seen better days. Bad and dented about. Full of bags of rubbish. Parcel shelf full of rubbish. Odd aftermarket wheels with one stud missing out of each. Alright, that's what's left of the box of the kit came in, and this is what we got. Now typically this is not off of the car, this is off another car, but this is what a used tensioner should look like. Black casing where the belt runs round with the tensioner part in the middle. What was on this one, all that was left on this one was this. All the plastic had gone and the belt was just running over the bearing. So I really don't know how that stayed on there. And inside the case there was all this debris. That's bits of the pulley, bits of the tensioner. So that's all broken off. That was just laying down inside the case, right next to the belt, right next to the crankshaft. So that could have got caught up at any time. This is the water pump. If I could turn it around, see that shiny patch on the pulley there? That is where the belt was rubbing or sliding past the pulley, because this pulley is sea solid. Won't turn at all. So really don't know what happened there. Anyway, that's the old crankshaft bolt. They give you a new bolt. The belt. Look at the state of the belt. Where it's skimming past, rubbing on the back of the water pump. The teeth. I'm going to turn it inside out a minute. I don't know whether you can see that, but the teeth in places are starting to come apart. There's all fibres coming out the sides. That belt had very limited life left in it, probably no more than, I would say, a mile before that would have burnt through where it's rubbing on the water pump. And that's just the old bolt from the tensioner. That's the old water pump gasket. And this is the old auxiliary belt. It's fairly perished. I don't know if you can see that. Lots of little cracks in it. And then the teeth themselves, look at that. So that didn't have long to go either. So as a young lad, very lucky I think. So it just goes to show the importance of a bit of maintenance. That belt will probably outlast the car because I can't see the car lasting that much longer, to be honest. But yeah, keep your maintenance up to date, keep them done like the right schedules, oils and filters, that sort of thing, timing belts. Look after your car and your car will look after you. So thanks for watching guys. I'll put some pictures up at the end, or I might put them somewhere in between, I don't know yet. But thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.